I don't think Taylor has seen anything that I put up yet, but you never know, someday I might pop up on her For You page. I'm Lisa Murray, also known as Gaeilgeoir Swift. My fans call me Gaeilgeoir Swift because I fuse girly pop songwriting with the Irish language, and people say that I somewhat look like Taylor Swift as well. I don't know what they're talking about though. Fusing Gaeilge and pop music is something that has opened so many doors for me in the last year since I released my first bilingual track, Gaeltacht. Having grown up in the Gaeltacht and spoken Irish my whole life and made music my whole life, I'm surprised it took me so long to kind of fuse those two parts of my personality. And honestly, it has just opened up such an amazing community of Irish speakers, Irish language learners, and people who are just so passionate about the culture and the language of Ireland, and it's been amazing.